Hello everyone, welcome to Star PH TV. So another quick unwrapping video tayo, and this time guys, dumating yung ating mga loots from different box breaks that we got from Papi's Box Break, Sebek, did I say it right? Sebek Box Break. So yun, sa mga kasama natin dyan sila Brother Omar and si Brother Ian. Yun. So yun, buksan ko lang to while opening it. Let's check out our intro.
Let's get started.
So yun guys, medyo maraming loots to. May ilang breaks to na naipon. And big thanks, big shoutout kay Brother Omar. And thank you dito sa mousepad. I'm not sure kung sino yung character, but yun, big shoutout sa Sebek Box Break. And pag interested kayo guys to join the box breaks, I will share the link sa description below, pati dun sa Papi's Box Break. So as you all know, most of the teams or most of our box breaks na sinasalihan were getting yung Utah Jazz. So medyo puro karamihan dito Utah Jazz makikita nyo, and some cards will be most likely same. But let's check out, medyo nakalimutan ko na rin kasi kung ano yung mga hits natin dito, but let's check out yung mga nakukuha natin ng mga magagandang cards. Yun, we have Lauri Markkanen, Isaiah Collier, and Keontae George, and Cody Williams. So these guys nasa Utah pa rin, naiwan sila with all those trades that happened in the past weeks. And of course kakatapos lang nung All-Star, medyo wala yatang All-Star from Utah. I'm not sure what's happening with Utah with this season kasi, or with this in this year. Kinukuha ko na ngayon si si New York dahil nandun si Jordan Clarkson. For the previous years puro Utah tayo, but yun nga, yung mga lumabas na bagong cards ngayon ng tops, medyo wala pa si Jordan Clarkson dun sa New York. I missed it kasi nasa Utah pa rin pala siya, but most likely mga next natin makikita nyo may mga New York na mostly. So we have select, this is from 2025. So again, Utah Jazz, Keontae George. For some hits, I believe this is Don Russ. We have Lauri Markkanen, John Collins, Isaiah Collier, Prism, Isaiah Collier, Kyle Filipowski, and Taylor Hendricks na na-trade na, I think, sa Memphis. Hopefully he'll do well sa Memphis, one of the guys or the players na we're also rooting for. Kinulat natin yung mga rookie cards. And I got a numbered card of Cody Williams. This is a Revolution Storm to 149. So break 562. Again, another set of Don Russ. And we got Bryce Sensabaugh, one of the coming stars or rising stars of Utah. Of course, same cards. This one medyo Don Russ for hoops, silver siya, hoops premium I think. So hoops, a mix of hoops and hoops premium. Kyle Filipowski, and our hit is this high voltage Karl Malone. So we got a Lolo hit, not a number, but it's a holo high voltage. Not sure if SSP yung high voltage. And yun, big thanks kay Omar again for this free Jordan Clarkson Tops Chrome card. Yan, kinukulit natin Jordan Clarkson, of course. And we got this Karl Anthony Towns of Hoops of New York. I think this is also a freebie kasi wala naman ako natatandaan na isang break na isa lang yung nakuha natin na card. So going back, this is an older break, same, not really that old break, recent break, but old card. So we got Darius Garland yellow. This I think yung sa mosaic na yung smaller card, smaller box. And this one's the time na nag-start na tayo mag-collect ng New York. And I think this one is from Topps. Match Attacks. So this cheaper version ng mga NBA cards. I think this originates from China, and it's also a licensed card ng Topps and ng NBA. So we got this Jalen Brunson card and the base cards of Karl Anthony Towns, Jalen Brunson, si Josh Hart, and another Jalen Brunson card. So if you check yung mga Topps Match Attack cards, wala siyang likod. And this one is on the cheaper side. I think you can get a big box for under 2,000 pesos. And nice quality cards, typical of a Chinese card games. Medyo shiny, and yung design niya mostly hollow. Even yung mga base cards. Siguro ang katapat nito masasabi ko yung top class ni Panini. So this one, medyo marami to. This one is break ng an older version ng card set na puro Pulsar, and I took several teams. We got Milwaukee, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Bobby Portis, walang tayong space natin dito. So the base cards, these are card sets from 2021-2022. But the reason I got this also is for this guy. Medyo pumipick up ang game niya. I believe ng 2022 marami tayong Atlanta. I'm not sure if napamigay ko nitong mga cards natin na Jalen Johnson, kasi medyo nung time na hindi siya pinapansin, or actually rooting for Sharif Cooper dahil friend siya ni Isaac Okoro. So yun tinitingnan natin, but never thought na this guy will pick up. If you check sa Atlanta Hawks, so nalang naiiwan doon, but he's putting in some great numbers, almost triple-double every time. So we're able to get the purple insert and the Pulsar base card sa setup. So lahat yan Pulsar, and we got this one Pulsar of Jordan Clarkson, Donovan Mitchell. I also got Utah, and I think there was someone sa YouTube channel natin nag-request ng Minnesota. So this is the 2021-2022 Minnesota team. We got Josh Okogie, D'Angelo Russell, Karl Anthony Towns, Malik Beasley, and of course Anthony Edwards. Yung naligaw na Utah, so si Rudy Gobert, which is nasa Minnesota rin ngayon. And medyo marami na yung cards na kumpangay lang natin dyan. And we also got some other guys from Atlanta. Ayan, so Trae Young and Clint Capella. And for some last few breaks na sinalihan natin, ito yung medyo hindi naman masasabing kanal, medyo konting butaw lang. So kanal means medyo hindi maganda yung mga cards na kumuha. Although yan, we also got Flash or Wave ni John Collins, Colin Sexton. The only hit in this one is Isaiah Collier na rookie card. Put it there, and some Prism. This Prism, hindi ko lang alam kung ano. So these are the last few releases ng ng Panini before the license was moved to Topps, the NBA license. So for now medyo wala naglalabas ng NBA cards ng Panini. So we got Colin Sexton, John Collins, Emergent, Cody Williams, Lauri Markkanen na green, and another Colin Sexton. So this one is actually silver pala. We'll just sort things out later. And yung last card natin, our last pack, we got Cody Williams, another John Collins na insert, and ito yung pinaka-hit na hinihintay natin. We got a Jordan Clarkson Blue Reactive from this break. So So ito yung pinakainintay natin, kinokollect natin lahat ng mga Jordan Clarkson. So before we close out this video, I would like to plug na rin yung ating product sa ating Tower PH shop sa Shopee. We're offering or selling these 3 packs. We got the silver packs and we got the gold pack. So silver packs consist of 5 paper-based cards, sample hoops, donors, contenders, and soon you will have yung mga tops na rin, less na yung panili. And some of these cards you might see dito sa ano to. And look for an insert. We got an insert or rookie guarantee. And minsan nalagay din tayo ng mga numbered cards and auto. And on this one, 5 basketball cards, mix of chrome and paper based, but mostly chrome cards. The likes of which one? So Sila Mosaic, Sila Prism, and I think naglalagay din tayo ng Revolution dito, and yung photogenic, may mga ano na rin ako nilagay dito. So yun, watch out for random auto, patch, or numbered card. I-check din sa mga review, talagang meron tayong nilalagay dito ng mga numbered and auto, and sometimes rookie numbered or rookie auto. So yun, hopefully check out nyo yung ating mga offerings sa Shopee Tower PH Collections. So yun guys, medyo mahaba na yung video. Hanggang dito na lang, and thanks for joining us. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investment, and most of the time makakita kayo ng mga NBA cards which I am collecting. We're also trying some mga TCG, like recently yung Gundam cards natin na we're trying to check out. My son Kiel, hi, big shout out to my son Kiel. He's starting to have interest na rin sa mga Pokemons, and of course my nephew Jiro and Iverson. So nagko-collect din sila ng mga cards. My niece Denise, yun, so she's into basketball. Big shout out sa inyo diyan sa Malaysia. And big shout out sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza and Soul, and si Sister Geb ng Hampas Lupang Burgis. So please do subscribe to their channel, follow their channel on YouTube, and also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, sa isang artist, content creators, vloggers, gamers, and action figure collectors, and of course kanila Mami Bel Sato, Daddy HLJ, Miss Ida Grace, Miss Margie TB, si Miss Anwar Labne, and sino ba? Si Sis Inday. Yun, big shoutout sa inyong lahat. So medyo mahaba na po yung video, hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat po sa pag-join dito sa ating video, and hopefully makasama ko po ulit kayo sa ating pang mga susunod na video. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.